Sanjay Hegde, the point Shilpa raises, for every step, from the trial court to the High Court to the Supreme Court, for every step, is the system so loaded against the common man that sometimes you lose the battle even before you begin fighting?
Well, I have great sympathy for Shilpa, and there have been very many women who have had very unfortunate circumstances and who have fought through, like Neelam Krishnamurthy during the cinema fire case. Unfortunately, our system does not really protect victims or have or have anything to their favor. They can at best assist the public prosecutor and see to it that not too many adjournments are taken. We also are not necessarily a law-abiding society. We are sometimes a law-using society. We tend to take advantage of every loophole that the law has. And yes, we lawyers also, because a client comes and the client says, can you try this in a higher court? We are bound by our instructions. Maybe if there are particular dedicated courts only for these kind of cases. And most importantly, why exactly do we allow these cars, these fast cars, which are designed for international expressways, to operate within cities? Everybody goes around with a Merc, a BMW, a Porsche, and then post midnight or something, things happen. At least let's begin with regulating the use of these cars, especially by the young, after a certain time of the day. I think that is
I
one.
don't know. Is that the solution, Sajid Supariwala, spokesperson of the Uddhav Thackeray group of Shiv Sena? Do you think at this point we are talking about the Shiv Sena Shinde Sarkar in Maharashtra, but it could have been anywhere else? Our end result, common people suffer and powerful people get away. Whether it's one government, one political party in one state, somebody else in another place.
Navika ji, you answered this question before also. You could see the pain in the people who have been calling up on the common man's everybody's tongue. There is only one thing. We want justice. Now, justice delayed is justice denied. As you yourself have said, and all the panelists also have been saying, I'm saying the same thing. After 3 days, this person comes, this brat comes, and instead of getting arrested, as per the father's statement, which I saw earlier, he said that he has surrendered himself, whatever the case might be, but he had been very smartly given an advice to be away for more than 72 hours so that the trace of alcohol is not there in his blood, and he would get scot-free after some time, after the case is fought, and it will prolong, it will go on and on and on. Talking about the common people or the powerful people, there is a responsibility of certain people. Like now this Susi Bain had also said that we will do justice. But I also want to ask the question to you and everybody, Navika ji, that the person has been killed. Whether that person had alcohol or not had alcohol is another topic right now. Suppose he had an alcohol, suppose after 72 hours there is no trace of alcohol, he should still not be able to go scot-free because that lady had been already injured. You only said, and all the people around, the people who were around that place, that he had dragged the person along with the car.
Absolutely, and that is why we are saying, why is it not being seen as murder? Why is it only negligent driving or rash driving?